help me, help me, help me.
What the fuck? For how long?
An hour.
You'll be alright. Alright. Alright, you're gonna be a good girl. Alright, we're good. After hours.
Go live, go live, I need exposure. Mastico Tech, help me. Mastico Tech,
Oh, stop,
please.
it's already bad. Even worse. I mean,
you went live. You're destroying my phone.
I listen, dude. The best I could do. You want original or aftermarket? Original or aftermarket?
I might need that as a. I'm gonna probably have this as a backup phone.
So aftermarket?
Yeah.
All right. So
actually, I was gonna actually ask you. Do you want to buy this off me?
This is. I could give you like a bag of chips. You want a bag of chips?